Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So, in the last lab, we have already seen how to generate sequence number. So, in this lab, we'll see how to make a cell as a drop down list. For example, suppose I want to display gender of each student beside it. So, let me write it here as a gender. And here I want to display, let's say, male, female. Yeah, let me make, okay. Or let's say, suppose male, then female. So if there are a number of names are there and it's very tough to you know write each gender against a name, so it's better to make a selection so that no one can do any grammatical or spelling mistake. So how to make this cell as a drop down list? So the very first step is to go to the data section. Is the data section. Now second step is to go to the data validation section. Here select data validation. Okay. Uh, it's taking time. Just wait. Maybe yes, it comes. Now here in the allow section, you have to select list, and in source section, you have to write male, comma, female, and just click OK, and you'll see this drop down will have male and female. So I can select any one of it. Male, similarly, you can copy it. Control C, Control V. I can similarly make it female or male. Similarly, you can copy and let's say go down, press enter. Now can choose female or you can delete all, and as per your choice you can choose, let's say Sujit Behra, it's let's say is male, let's say maybe says is female, is also female, this is maybe a male. So in this way you can make a cell as a drop down list. So it's very easy. So how to go? First go to the data section. Once you select the data section, second step is to go to the data validation section. In data validation section, you have to choose this data validation. You'll get this box. Now you need to choose the list. Next is to enter the desired option you want to display in the drop down list. Click OK and you'll get this, the drop down list. So this is one way to make a cell as a drop down list. So try to practice it. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.